तस्य ज्ञानाचलचलाकया चक्षुरुं मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Yes, Jai Gurudev children, happy morning. Yes, yes, today we are going to see about so many people. Okay, we are going to see about so many people who are helping us in our day-to-day life. Okay, yes, there are some people who are helping us. Okay, so today we will be seeing them. Okay, children, yes, yes. Give a thumbs up sign. Yes, shall we all see about them? Okay, superb. Okay, very good. Now everyone sit straight. Let me tell about them. Yes. Okay. So this is going to be our lesson number 4 in English. Okay, this is going to be our lesson number 4 in English. People who help us. What is the name of the lesson, children? People who help us. Okay, we are going to see about people who are helping us. Okay, yes. Okay, so now who is there on the screen, children? Who is there on the screen? He's a doctor. Very good. He's a doctor. Okay. So how the doctor will help us? Yes. When we are feeling sick. Yes. Where we will go? We will go to a hospital, isn't it? When we are feeling sick, we will go to a hospital and the doctor will treat us, isn't it, children? Yes, the doctor will treat us. Yes. So when we are in need, doctor is helping us, isn't it? When we are in need, doctor is helping us. So how we will call them? You know, as community helper. How we will call the doctor? As community helper. Okay, because he is helping us when we are in need. Now everyone sit straight and say this word, community helper. Community helper. One more time, community helper. Yes, some children are not at all sitting straight. Say community helper. Yes, very good. So now, second, we are going to see who is she, children? Who is she on the screen? She's teaching something. Who is she? She's a teacher. Very good. She's a teacher. Okay, what the teacher will do? She will teach. She will teach how to read, how to write. Yes, apart from that, many new things also she is teaching, isn't it? Yes, so she is updating the knowledge of the kids, isn't it? So she is also a community helper. She is also a community helper. Okay, we will call them as community helpers. Okay, next, can you see a person standing with a letter in his hand? Who is he? Yes, he's having a letter in his hand. Who is he? Postman. Very good. He's a postman. Yes, very good, children. He's a postman. Okay, so if you want to post a letter, we will go and post it in a letter box. and this postman will deliver the letter. What he will do? He will deliver our letters. So postman is also a community helper, isn't it? Yes, he is helping in delivering our letters. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now next, who is he on the screen? He is working with some piece of food. Who is he? Who is he? Can you see? How we will call him? He's working with wood. He's a carpenter. He's a carpenter. Very good, very good. I'm receiving answers. Very good. He's a carpenter. Okay, he's a carpenter. See, in our home, we have furnitures, isn't it? Cot, chairs, sofa set, and wooden doors, table, your study table. Yes, everything is made of wood, isn't it? Who is making it for us? Do you know who is making it for us? A carpenter is making it for us. Okay. Who is making it for us, children? A carpenter. A carpenter is making it for us. Okay. So he is also a community helper. Okay. Yes. Now next comes policeman. Who is he on the screen? Policeman. Yes, everyone open your mouth and say policeman. Very good. Do you know the emergency contact number for policeman, children? Yes? Do you know the emergency contact number for police? Yes? It's 100. Okay, see, today ma'am is going to tell you all the emergency numbers. Okay, today ma'am is going to tell you all the emergency numbers. Okay, you should make a note of it. Okay, children, you should make a note of it. You should not think, I'm very, very small kid. Why should I know all these? Okay, you all should be very bold. Okay, and you should know everything. So kindly make a note of it and keep the emergency contact number for police is 100. Okay, 100. Okay, now next, who is he on the screen? He's splashing water. Who is he? Who is he, children? He's a firefighter. Very good. He's a firefighter. Okay. Yes. Okay. Do you know the emergency contact number for firefighter? Yes. Do you know the emergency contact number for firefighter? See, if you want fire service, if you see, any house or any fire in your neighborhood, any place that caught fire in your neighborhood, you can call to this fire service people. The number is 101. What is the number for fire service? 101. For police, it is 100. For police, it's 100. For fire service, it's 101. Okay? Yes? So they are helping us, no? They are risking their lives and they are helping us. So they are community helpers. They are community helpers. Okay. Now next, can you see a person here? Who is she? She is nurse. You all know who is nurse, isn't it? Yes, when you go to hospital, if you are not well, who will first treat us, children? Who will first treat us? A nurse only will first treat us, isn't it? Say example, if you're having fever and if you go to hospital, it's only the nurse who will first come and note down the temperature. Yes, then only she will guide to doctor, isn't it? Yes. So nurse is a community helper. Okay, nurse is also a community helper. Okay, do you know the emergency number for ambulance? Do you know the emergency number for ambulance? Yes, you know for police it's 100. For fire service it's 101. Do you know for ambulance? For ambulance it's 102. For ambulance it's 102. Yes, you may have a doubt. Yes, ma'am, 108 also it's ambulance only, no ma'am. See, for 108 it's accident helpline number. Okay, for 108 is accident helpline number. Okay, if you're going out and if you see any accident on the road, immediately you should ask your parents to call to 108. Okay, yes, okay, because we all should help others, no children? Isn't it? Yes or no? We should help others. Yes. For that, we should know something. Yes. So the accident helpline number is 108. Okay. 108. Okay. So now next, who is she cooking something? Yes. Who is she, children? She is a chef. Who is she? She is a chef. Okay. Chef is who? In restaurants and all, we are getting some yummy, delicious food in restaurants. Who is preparing that for us? A chef is only preparing that for us. Okay. So they are called as chef. Yes. So now next is news reporter. News reporter. Yes. Yes, in Radha's story, we learned, no? Her mother will come from the restaurant, sit on the chair, and watch news. Do you all remember that? Yes? Yes, okay. A news reporter is nothing but a person, yes, who explains the situation to us, who just brings the news to us. Okay? They are called as news reporters. They will explain the incident, what has happened there. Okay? And they will collect news from and they will tell it to us. Okay? Yes, they are called as news reporter. Okay, now I'm going to tell you all an important thing, children. Okay, very, very important thing I'm going to tell you all. What is that, you know? You know the emergency numbers for many things, isn't it? For police, for fire service, for ambulance. Yes, now I'm going to tell you the child helpline number. Okay, see, if you're feeling strange in any place, if you're surrounded by any strange people, okay, and if you feel insecure in any place, you should know this contact number. It's 1098. 1098. It's child helpline number. Okay, children, it's 1098. Okay, if you call to this number, immediately people will rush to help you. It's child helpline number 1098. 1098. Okay, now electrician. Can you all see in the screen? It's electrician. Can you all see, children? Yes, who's electrician? When your mummy daddy will call to electrician? Yes, if you have any current issues, yes, and if the light is not properly coming, yes, that time you will call, your parents will call to an electrician. Okay, yes, if you have any current issues, at that time only they will call an electrician. Electrician, you should know the name for that. Yes, person who is coming, they are called as electricians. Okay, now next is plumber. See, he's repairing the pipes. Can you all see? Yes? Okay. When your parents will call plumber, if there is any leakage in the pipe, yes? In case of any issues in water supply, yes, that time only they will call plumber. One man will come and repair it, isn't it? Yes? They are called as plumbers. They are called as plumbers. Okay, now there is one simple man there. Yes, there is one simple man sitting there. Who is he? He's a farmer. He's a farmer. Okay, what he does? He grows crops. Okay, we are eating food, vegetables, isn't it? We are having it on our table. It's only because of these farmers' hard work. Okay, children, see how hard work they are doing, for giving us rice, yes, vegetables. So we should not waste food, children. Okay, we should not waste food. Okay, now milkman. Yes, we used to, this milkman will give us milk. Yes, in some of your houses, you may get milk from milkman. Yes. Yes, now driver. Driver means, yes, we all know, isn't it? In school also we have bus drivers. Yes? Yes, they are also helping us. So they are also called as community helpers. Okay, now here comes an activity for you all children. Yes, all of you sit straight. this activity is going to be, very, very interesting. Okay, this activity is going to be very interesting and you're going to give me the answers. Okay, see, there are few things displayed there. Some things are there. Can you all see it? Few things are displayed there. And some people know they will use these things. Each thing will be used by some people. Okay, used by a person. You're going to write the name of the person below the picture. Who is using that? Okay, their names you are going to write below this picture. Okay, now one help box is given for you all. Can you all see a box there? That is help box. Okay, I'll just read out the names. Listen. Carpenter, carpenter, painter, painter, doctor, doctor, chef, chef, teacher, teacher. Now, first picture, can you all see a color palette, children? Color palette and a paintbrush. Who will use the children? Who will use the colors and the paintbrush? Painter. Who will use the children? Painter. Painter only will use this colors and paintbrush. Okay. Now, next you have stethoscope. Second picture. Stethoscope. Who will use this? Who will use this stethoscope? A doctor will use it. Who will use it? A doctor will use it. Okay, a doctor will use the stethoscope. Now, third picture, you have chalks, you have ruler. Yes, who will use the chalk to write on the blackboard, children? Who will use the chalk to write on the blackboard? Teacher. Who will use? Teacher. Very good. Now, next, there is one big white hat. Who will use this hat while they're cooking? Who will use this hat, children, while they're cooking? I told no, in restaurants, one person will make us delicious, yummy dishes. Who's that person called? Chef. Chef. And children, I'm going to tell you an important thing. We should not call this as a hat. What the chef person is wearing, no? We should not call it as a hat or cap. We should not call like that. We should say it as toque. It has its own name. Okay, this white hat which the chef person are wearing, we should call it as hat. Hat or cap or toque. What we should call? I want the answer from you. We will call it as cap or hat or toque. Toque. Very good. We will call it as toque. Toque. Okay. Now the last one is who will use it, children, for cutting off woods and all? Who will use it? I told no one person will help us in making furniture, doors. Who is he? He's a carpenter. Who is he? He's a carpenter. Okay, he will use it for cutting off woods and all. Okay. Okay. Now we will move on to the lesson, children. Yes. Okay. Now Ashwini ma'am will come and explain you about a girl and what she is doing in our lesson. Okay. Yes. Over to Ashwini ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Kanchana ma'am. Am I audible? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Thank you so much. Yes, children, so far you have learned about so many persons who are helping us, right? Yes, apart from this, there are so many other people who are helping. Okay, you're going to find out, okay, who are them. Okay, this is all about a child. Her name is Aditi. Aditi is in grade 2 like you. Okay, she wants to know about the people who help us. So she's going and asking her mother. She said, I want to thank all the people who help us. I'm going to make thank you cards. Okay, so she's going and asking her mother that she wants to thank all the people who are helping. Okay, so helping her. So she wants to prepare a thank you card. So see how nice she is. Are you all thanking? Are you all thanking who are all helping you? Yes or no? Yes, few are thanking. Okay, from now onwards, you should have that. So whoever is helping us, we should say what? Thank you. Okay, children? Yes. Now she's going to prepare a thank you card, as ma'am told. Okay. So now she's going and asking a mother, what is the name of our maid? What she's asking? She's asking the name of a maid. So who is a maid? Who is a maid? Who is a maid? A mother will come. A person will come to help your mother, right? Yes, is my voice low? Ma'am, I'm using almost my voice. I think I have a little network issues. So, am I audible? Hello? Kanchana, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible, but little bit louder, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, I am using my almost voice, but it's very low.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Okay, it's audible, but a little bit louder. Yes. Okay, ma'am. You continue, ma'am.
Yes. Now the mother replied, that is very good idea, Aditi. So now she is telling, that is very good idea, Aditi. And her name is Kamala. Now she is telling the name of her maid. Okay, her name is Kamala, but there are many other people who help us. So now the mother is telling, see, Kanash, there are so many others, they are helping us, so you should know about everyone. She's telling, yes, Mama, our driver, I know his.
And page number, ma'am.
Yes, Kana?
Ashwini, ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. Sanvika Shri, kindly mute your video, Kana. Sanvika Shri, kindly mute your video. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Kanchana, ma'am. So now this little girl is telling, yes, Mama, I know the name of our driver. So now also the mother is telling that, yes, child, you have so many persons to help. Okay, you are going to find out. Come out with the people who are helping us. Okay. Now she has found out with so many persons. Okay. So she's going to tell about them. Okay, the first person is, yes, next slide, ma'am. Yes, who is there on the slide? Can you see? Now she's going to talk about a person. Who is he? Who is he? What he is doing? He's taking something from that red box. He's wearing a uniform. Yes, very good. Postman. Yes, very good. Postman. Okay, superb. So you might have seen postman. What? What he will do? What he will do? Shanvika Shri, can you mute your video, Kanna? Yes. So his name is Aditya Dev. His name is Aditya Dev. He is a postman. He is a postman. He works in a post office. So as everyone has a place to work, right? Yes, the teachers are in school, the doctors are in hospital. Okay. So likewise, the postman works in a post office. He delivers letters and packages to people. See, when you're posting a letter, what the postman will do? He take all the letters and the packages and he will what? Will hand over in the post office and they will separate out according to the address and they will deliver it. Okay. So the letter and packages are called mail. Okay, the letter and packages are called mail. What is a package? What is a package? The one which is packed in a box. Sometimes you may get a parcel service, right? Yes or no? So that is called as packages. So together the letter and the packages are called as mail. Okay. So we drop our letters into the post box. Can you see the post box? That is in red color. Okay. So when we are like you, see, we have post boxes everywhere. Okay. According to the area wise, there will be a post box and we used to post the letter there. Now it is fast service. We are sending through the computer, isn't it or not? That's reduced. But beforehand, we have a post box where we used to drop our letters and the postman will come and take all the letters to the post office. Okay. And this take about 3 to 5 days. This take about 3 to 5 days. They will take to the post office, they will separate it out and they will deliver. Okay. So he can send it fast also. So as ma'am told you, it will take 3 to 5 days. Okay. So if you want to send it fast, what we will do? Now we are getting it very quickly. How we are getting? Through courier service. Okay. So the courier service is a very fast one. Okay. So we can send mail to different people around the world. We can also send a letter through the computer. Nowadays, we are sending very easy. Okay, now at all, we are not writing any letter. We are not receiving any letter from our friends or any. Okay, why? Because now we have a fast service. What is that one? We are sending immediately through mobile and computers. Okay, so that mail is called as what? You are frequently hearing that word. Email. Email. Electronic mail. Email is electronic mail. The mail that is sent through the computer is called what? Email. Okay, so you have known something about the postman, what he is doing, how we are posting letters, right? Yes. And next, we are going to know about another person. Okay, she's going to tell about another person. Okay, so his name is Mr. Shahid Hassan. He is Mr. Shahid Hassan. See what he's doing? He's stitching the clothes, right? Yes, then who is he? You'll give the uniform to him for stitching. Who is he? Who is he? He is a tailor. Very good. The person one who stitch clothes are called what? Tailor. He can stitch shirts for men, salwar kameez for women. He can stitch uniform for children too. Okay, he is stitching dresses for little girls and shorts for little boys. Isn't it or not? Yes, you're wearing pretty dresses because of the tailor. Okay, we have so many celebrations upcoming, so many festivals upcoming. Isn't it or not? The month of August, September, you have what? Ganesh Chaturthi, Ayudha Puja, Diwali, Christmas. Yes, you'll be getting so many dresses, right? Yes. So who is stitching all those dresses? The tailor. Okay, he can make a simple cloth into beautiful dress, right? Yes. So he's stitching with the different types of cloths. Okay, so do all the cloths remain the same? Yes. Sometimes you may wear cotton. Yes. Sometimes you may wear what? Polyester, rayon cloth. Yes, the cloth differ. That is called as material. Okay. What is the difference? Yes, Kanna.
The scientist Abdul Kalam, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Yes, yes, children. So we are making dresses out of what? Different materials. Okay. Yes, and next we are going to talk about another person. Okay. So she is a doctor. Her name is Sanjana Shah. Her name is Sanjana Shah. She is a doctor. Where she works? She works
Ma'am,
in a hospital. She works in a
ma'am,
hospital. Yes, Kana. Kindly
the
beyond
scientist
mute.
is Abdul Kalam, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. Yes, very good. Yes, thank you. So she is a doctor. She works in a hospital. Okay, you all know that where the doctors will be. Where the doctors will be, they'll be in the hospital, isn't it or not? When you feel sick or hurt, where you will go? Will go to the hospital. What the doctor will do? She will examine. What do you mean by examine? She will test you, isn't it or not? She will look into your eyes. She'll ask you to open the mouth. Okay, she will ask you few questions like, did you have ice water yesterday? You had ice cream? Like that, she'll be asking, no, if you go for cold and all, it's or no. For what she is asking those questions and she is testing. Because she wants to find out what has happened, right? Yes. So she examines the patient to find out what is wrong. Accordingly, only they will give the medicine. Okay. So they'll give the medicines to make you feel better. Okay. Sometimes the people need to stay in the hospital for few days if they are very sick. If you're not cured, what you will do? You'll be admitted in for 2-3 days. Okay, for the betterment. Okay, children? Yes. And next comes the other person, Mr. Ram Charan. See what he is doing. As Kanchana ma'am told you, she has discussed about so many persons. In that, you might have know about him. Who is he? He is a carpenter. Hey, who is he? Carpenter. What is doing? What is doing? He's making a chair, right? Yes, very good. He makes tables and chairs for you to sit and study. See, he is the one to make the furniture. Come on, tell me what are the furnitures you have at your home? Yes, you have only table and chairs? Yes, come on, answer to the chat. What are the furnitures you have? Very good. Sofa, cot, very good. Then dining table, cupboards, isn't it or not? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Door, superb. Windows. It's all made up of what? From which we can make all those furnitures. See, he's making out of something. We need a cloth to stitch a dress, right? Yes or no? So where we are getting this? Wood, very good, very good. WOOD, wood, very good. Then where you get that wood from? Where we get that wood from? Trees, very good, superb. We get the wood from the trees. Okay. So as ma'am told you, whenever a doctor is helping, okay, when you go to hospital, after getting treatment, what you will say? Thank you, doctor. Isn't it or not? Yes or no? Are you all thanking a tailor after getting a dress? No, we forget to do so, right? So from now onwards, you should thank everyone when you're getting some help from somebody. Okay. Likewise, are you all thanking the plants and trees? Shall we go and thank the plant? Plant, thank you for giving it. Yes? Yes? Can you talk to the plants? Yes, of course. You can show a thankful gratitude by what? But how can you help the plant then? You can water the plant, right? Yes, by watering the trees and plants, by avoid cutting the trees. Yes or no? Planting more trees. This is how we can show our what? Thankfulness. Okay, children? Yes. So we are getting wood furnitures from wood, and he is using so many tools. Can you see the picture? He is using so many tools to make that furniture. Yes, each one has some tools to use, isn't it or not? Say for example, what are the things used by a doctor? She is using a syringe. She is using stethoscope, thermometer, isn't it or not? BP apparatus, so many things she will have. Yes or no? Likewise, a teacher will have a chalk, a duster, blackboard. These are the things associated with the teacher. Likewise, when you talk about carpenter, what are the things he is using? He is using, see, axe, nails, hammer, chisel, isn't it or not? Saw to cut the wood. Okay. And next, we have two more persons we are going to know about. Okay. Now, Katsna ma'am will come and tell about those two persons. Okay, children? Yes. I want everyone to sit straight. Now, over to Katsna ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Ashwini ma'am. Yes, children, so far you learned about so many people, isn't it? Who are helping us, community helpers. Yes? Okay, so now we are going to learn about a person. Okay, we are going to know about a person. Okay, yes, who is here on the screen, children? Come on, I want everyone to answer. Those who don't know to type in chat, it's not a problem. Kindly open your mouth and answer. Who is here on the screen? He's a policeman. Very good. He's a policeman and his name is Alex Roy. What is his name? His name is Alex Roy. Okay. Okay. So what the policeman will do? What the policeman will do, children? Yes, he will help to catch thieves. Okay, then what he will do? Yes, what he will do? He will keep the city safe, isn't it? He will keep the city safe. Very good. He will help us. Very good. Safeguard people. Wonderful. Yes, he will do that, isn't it? He has a brother. He has a brother, and his brother, what he will do? He will control the traffic. See, while you're going in bike or car with your parents, you could have seen one man, no, he will be standing and he will show his hand to stop and he will let us go. Yes? Yes, have you observed, children? Yes, who all have observed? Just raise your hand, let me see. Who all have observed him? Yes, he will show his hand not to stop the vehicles and then he will send us. Yes, after some time. Have you observed? He's a traffic policeman. Okay. His duty is to control traffic. Okay, he's a traffic policeman and his duty is to control traffic. Okay, children? Yes? Okay, for what these police people know, they are working so hard. For what they are doing that? They will maintain the law and order in the city. Okay. See, say for example, now before some days, no, we were in lockdown, isn't it? Due to this COVID situation, we were in lockdown, isn't it? Yes, that time in news, no, when your parents were watching, you could have observed. Police people, no, they will be going through the streets. Yes, did you observe that? Yes, police people, they will be walking through the streets. For what they were going? Yes, because they were in check whether some people are in groups or anyone is coming outside unwantedly. Yes, why they are doing so? Because they wanted to maintain the law and order. Okay, law and order. Yes, very good. To protect us. Wonderful, Kana. Yes, because they wanted us to be very, very safe. Okay, yes, for that only police people know they are working very hard. Yes, and what is this policeman name? What is this policeman name? I told his name, no? What is his name? Alex Roy. Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, his name is Alex Roy. Very good. Now, next we have, yes, can you see? One person is standing in front of blackboard. Who is she, children? She's standing in front of blackboard. Teacher, wonderful. She's a teacher. Very good. Okay, where the teacher will work? Will a teacher work in hospital? Will a teacher work in hospital? Oh, yes, a teacher will work in school. Wonderful. I'm getting answers from many of you. Superb. Okay, she teaches children to read and write. Okay, this teacher will teach the children to read and write. And apart from reading and writing, she will teach many different things, isn't it? A teacher will teach you many different things. Yes or no? Art teacher, yes. Then you have your Sanskrit teacher, PT teacher. Yes, you have so many teachers, isn't it? Apart from reading and writing, they are teaching, yes, good habits. Very good. Yes. Okay. So, from this Aditi Prakash, her name is Aditi Prakash. Okay, this teacher's name is Aditi Prakash. From Aditi Prakash, children will learn English, science, and math. Okay, children will learn English, science, and math from this Aditi Prakash. Okay, children. So this teacher name is Aditi Prakash. And Ashwini ma'am told no one girl studying in grade 2 like you. What is her name? What was her name? Aditi. Okay, her teacher name is Aditi Prakash. Okay, children. Yes, so today you learned about so many community helpers, isn't it? Now you all will be knowing. Yes? Yes, one main thing we should learn is we should respect. We should give respect to any person it may be. Okay, you should first give respect. Okay, children? Will my children do? Yes, either it may be a policeman, doctor, and also you should say thank you. Yes, as Ashwini ma'am told, you should say thank you. Okay. Yes, when you go to doctor, you're saying thank you, no, after the treatment. Are you telling thank you, doctor? Yes, very good. You should thank them. Ma'am, you're telling no at the end of the session. Thank you, ma'am. You're telling no? Like that, you have to say to everyone. Okay, even to your little brother or sister, if they done any help or if they do anything for you, you should say thank you.